Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to install and use Ada, an incredible OpenAI code assistant that can help you generate code for various projects. Ada makes coding faster and easier, so let's get started. The first step is to create a separate environment using Conda. This ensures that Ada and its dependencies are installed in a clean and isolated environment. Open your terminal or command prompt and enter the following command. Conda create npython 3.10.0. It may take some time. Conda will prompt you to confirm the installation. Type Y and hit enter to proceed. Now that the Ada environment is created, activate it with the following command. Conda activate Ada. You'll notice that the terminal prompt changes, indicating that you are now within the Ada environment. With the active virtual environment, we'll now install Ada and the required libraries using pip. We use command pip install Ada chat. This command will download and install the necessary packages, enabling Ada to work seamlessly. So, after this, to keep things organized, we'll create a directory or folder named Ada, where we will store our Ada generated code. Use command mkdir Ada. As you can see, a separate folder is created in our Explorer or Finder. Now that Ada is successfully installed and the Ada directory is created, let's open your preferred code editor. For this tutorial, we'll use Visual Studio Code. Launch VS Code from the Start menu or your application launcher. Drag and drop the Ada folder. Now, we have to open a new terminal. Also, we have to activate our Ada environment by using Conda activate Ada command. Before proceeding, you need an OpenAI API key to use Ada effectively. If you don't have API key, it will show you that no API key is provided. To get API key, head to platform.openai.com, sign up for an account, go to view API keys and generate an API key. Keep this key secure and don't share it publicly. Now if you are using Mac, type export OpenAI API key and paste your key. If you have Windows, use set OpenAI API key and paste your key. Now, to start the code generation process, we use Ada and then your file name. Like I use calculator.py. This command tells Ada to create a new Python file named calculator.py and use AI-powered code generation to provide initial code for the calculator application. It will ask you to add file to your Git. If you want, type Y. If you don't, type N. Afterwards, just like ChatGPT, you can give command and generate code as of your need. For example, I want a simple calculator app. So, I write, create a simple Flask web application for a simple calculator app. Give the file name where you want to store the code, or it will automatically create a new file for it. As we know, to run Flask web application, we need to add HTML file to template folder. That's why I created a separate folder for HTML. After you've provided the input, Ada will automatically generate the code based on the context and requirements you mentioned. It will write the code for your Flask web application. Type Y. It will ask to add file to your Git. Generally, I type no. As you can see, both files are created and saved inside our folder. One is our Python file named calculator.py and other one is our HTML file, which is saved inside our template folder. So, to run the application, first we open our new terminal. After open our terminal, activate our Ada environment. Then type python calculator.py, which is our Python file name. This command starts the Flask server, making your calculator web app accessible locally. Afterwards, it will give you the URL. Open the URL to your web browser. Here you can see we have successfully made a simple working calculator using Ada. Ada can be a powerful tool to boost your productivity and creativity when coding. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting content. Happy coding!